Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am gonna show you that how to change your birthday on Roblox if it is under 13. Okay, so as you can see, we cannot directly change our birthday due to safety regulations. To update our birthday, we need to open any browser in our phone. And then you have to search roblox.com/support in your browser. Okay, so now we have to fill the basic information here. First, you have to enter your username here. Okay, so after entering your username, you can also type here your first name, which is optional. Then you have to type your email address here. Remember one thing, Roblox will contact you through this email address. Then you have to confirm your email address. Okay, so now you have to enter the device you are facing the problem on. I am using Android phone. Now you have to select the help category. You have to select this option right here. Now after entering the help category, you have to select change child age here. Now you have to explain the issue here you are facing. Okay, so now you have to recheck your details. Once all are done, click on continue. Now from here the verification process starts. Now you have to solve a puzzle here. As you can see, the verification process has been complete. Okay, so now you will receive an email confirming that they received your request. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.